Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify hedge funds with Hedge Fund Association, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify hedge funds through the Hedge Fund Association, begin by visiting their official website. Locate the search function or navigation menu. Choose the option related to hedge fund verification. Familiarize yourself with the resources available on the site. Look for the section dedicated to fund registration or member verification. Enter the necessary details for the hedge fund you want to verify. This may include the fund's name, registration number, or other identifying information. Review the search results carefully. Verify that the fund information matches what you have. Take note of any alerts or warnings associated with the fund. If further verification is required, consider contacting the Hedge Fund Association directly. Prepare any questions you may have in advance for clarity. Gather related documentation that supports your verification request. Follow up with your inquiry if you do not receive a timely response. After receiving confirmation, document the findings for your records. Ensure you keep updated on the fund and any changes in its status. Develop a routine for periodic checks to maintain informed oversight of your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.